Today, we are going to tell you how to get 1 million views on your YouTube channel for just $10. We will also explain how to create effective videos. If you are new to YouTube with 0 subscribers, how can you get started and get 1 million views? It's coming up next. There are a ton of content creators on YouTube. It's time-consuming and a lot of hard work. But when your video doesn't even show up in the search, that means it really sucks. You need to understand why viewers come to YouTube. Here are the 4 main reasons. 1. For entertainment. 2. For information. 3. By recommendation. 4. Out of curiosity. You need to create quality content, find your target audience, and connect with them. You need to make sure that the first 10 seconds of your video are so interesting that your viewer sticks around to watch. Always ask your viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe at the end of the video. See, there are many types of channels and different strategies to promote each one of them, so you need to do some research before you actually get going. Now here's a very important point, which most YouTubers miss. It's tags. All you need to do is Google the tag generation sites and copy the right trending tags for your video content. Finally, the question that might arise in your mind is, where do I share the video to get views? Here are the answers. 1. Your Facebook page and other social media. 2. Facebook groups and relevant pages on Facebook via collaborations. 3. Collaborate with experienced YouTubers to borrow views. All these steps give you organic traffic. If you are looking for paid traffic to get 1 million views in a few hours, then Google Zool Ad Network or find the link in the description box below. Don't wait, sign up now. You can interact with Zool experts and learn what type of traffic is compatible with your requirement. For example, if you buy 10,000 views from Zool Ad Network, it will cost you just $10. Now, if you get 100 shares of your video, which is just 1% of the total views of your video, and 10 of their friends share this video again, it will actually go viral. That's 100 times 10 equals 1,000 views, and you're just getting started. Similarly, after a few cycles of sharing, it's conceivable you will reach 1 million views. All you need to do is boost the views with a little paid traffic. Once you have substantial views for your video, it will start to appear at the top of the search results, making your hard work worth it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We will post more videos on how to increase traffic, get more views, and earn more money on YouTube very soon. Thanks for watching.